So I'm going to be showing you guys a cool trick for you can use voice typing on the Google Pixel 8. Now, on each iteration and release of these Pixel phones, I would say this feature has gotten better and better. And honestly, if you can't type and you're driving or you're doing something where you can't use your hands, this is a very useful feature. All right, anyways, I'm going to open up a new conversation here. We're just going to, go with this guy right here. Okay, anyways, now when you have the conversation open up or just your keyboard app opened up here and you're ready to, start typing, what you want to do, and I'm going to hold this up to the camera, is click on this little microphone option. Now, there's going to be two of them, so be aware of that, but it's going to be this one right here. And when you click on it, it's going to basically just start, saying everything that is coming out of your mouth. And you can see that it is really good. It's also very fast. Then you would just click it to stop it, and then you're basically good to go. Just remember, when you set this up for the first time, you need to click the allow access for it to work. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And yeah, man, I think this is just a very cool and nice feature to use when you don't feel like, sitting there and, texting everything out. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. I'd also like to point out that you can get on our tech newsletter, where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.